Good morning class. As you know beta, in the previous video we have completed our exercise 2.3 up to question number 4th. Today we will do the remaining question. So the question number 5th is the product of two number is 17 raised 1 by 4 and the one number is equal to 10 raised 1 by 2. Then we have to find the other number. Okay. So let the required number is x beta. So according to question what we have, x multiplied by 10 raised 1 by 2 is equal to 17 raised 1 by 4. Okay. So this is given in the question and we have to find this x. Now firstly we solve this mixed fractions into improper fraction. This one is equal to 21 by 2 and this is equal to 69 by 4. Now beta 21 by 2 here in multiplication, and we know that if we take this 21 by 2 towards the right side of equality, this multiplication will become division. Okay. So x is equal to 69 by 4 divided by 21 by 2. Now to find the value of x we have to solve this division, and we know how can we solve the division of fraction? By changing division sign into multiplication and divisor into its reciprocal. Okay. Now beta, what we have to do? We have to multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator, and this is equal to 69 multiplied by 2, 4 multiplied by 21. 2 is the highest common factor between 2 and 4. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. And here what we have? 3 as the highest common factor between 21 and 69. So this will become 7 because 3 sevens are 21, and this will become 23 because 23 3s are 69. So the result is equal to beta 23 by 14. Okay. So this is the required number by which we have to multiply 10 raised 1 by 2 to get 17 raised 1 by 4, and this is the solution of your question number 5th beta. Okay, I hope you will get it. Now we will move on the next question. Now question number 6th. In the 6th question beta, the capacity of a juice container is given and that is 25 raised 1 by 3 liter, and we have to calculate the capacity of 4 such container. Okay. In such kind of question beta, where the value of one thing is given and we have to calculate the value of more than one thing, we have to just simply do multiplication. What we have to do? We have to do multiplication. Okay. And if we have some question in which we have given the value of more than one, is given, and we have to calculate the value of 1. Calculate the value of 1. Then we have to do division. Okay. To calculate the value of more than 1, we have to multiply, and to calculate the value of 1, we have to do division. Okay. Now look at the question number 6th beta. In the question number 6th, what we have given? We have given capacity of one container and we have to calculate capacity of 4 container. Okay. Here we have to calculate the capacity of more than 1. So what we have to do? We have to do multiplication. For more than 1 we have to do multiplication, and for 1 we have to do division. Okay. So beta, capacity of one container is equal to 25 1 by 3, and this is equal to 76 by 3 liter. Okay, and what we have to do, we have to calculate the capacity of 4 container. So this is equal to 76 by 3 multiply by 4, and this is equal to 4 6 are 24, 4 7 are 28, and 2 30 by 3 liter. And if we change this number into mixed fraction, this will become 101 by 1 by 3 liter. 101 raise 1 by 3 liter is the answer of your question number 6th. Clear beta? Now we will move on the question number 7th. So what is the question number 7th? The cost of 6 raise 1 by 4 kg onions is 225 rupees. So what is the price of onion per kg? Here we have given the value of more than 1 and we have to calculate the value of 1. And we know that to calculate the value of 1, what we have to do? We have to do division. So in 7th question, you have to divide 225 by 6 raised 1 by 4 to calculate the value of price of onion per kg. Okay. Now look at the solution. So price of 6 raised 1 by 4 kg onion is equal to 225 rupees, and price of 1 kg onion is equal to 225 divided by 6 raised 1 by 4 rupees. Okay, so we can write 225 as 225 by 1 and divided by 6 raised 1 by 4 is equal to 25 by 4. Okay, so this is equal to beta 225, division will become multiplication and the divisor will be converted into its reciprocal. Now what we have to do, we have to solve this multiplication of fraction. So multiplication is done from numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. This is equal to 225 multiplied by 4 by 25. So the 25 is the highest common factor between 25 and 2 to 5. So 25 ones are 25 and 25 nines are 225, and this is equal to 9 multiplied by 4, and that is equal to 36 rupees. So this is the amount which we have to find in this question, and this is the value of price of onion per kg. Okay, so this is the solution of your question number 7th beta. Now we will do the question number 8th. 8th question. A rectangular plot has an area of 62 raised 2 by 5 square meter. Find its length if the width is given. Okay, so what we have given in this question beta? We have given width of plot, that is 24 raised 2 by 3 meter, and if we solve this mixed fraction, this will become 74 by 3 meter. And also we have given area, and area is equal to 62 raised 2 by 5 meter square. Okay, if we solve this mixed fraction, this will become equal to 312 by 5 meter square. Now the shape of plot is equal to rectangle. The shape of plot is rectangle, so area is equal to length multiplied by width. Okay, so what we have given? We have given this area, and the area is equal to 312 by 5. And what we have to find? We have to find length, and what we have given? Width also we have given in this question, and the width is equal to 74 by 3. Okay, in the same manner we have, this is in multiplication. If we move this from right side to the left side of equality, the sign will be changes into division. So this is equal to length is equal to 312 by 5 divided by 74 by 3. Now to find the length of field, we have to solve this division. So 3, 1, 2 by 5, division will become multiplication, and the denominator will become numerator, and numerator will become denominator of second fraction. Okay, or we can say that divisor will be converted into its reciprocal. Now what we have to do, we have to cancel the common factor between numerator and denominator. So 74 is the highest common factor between 74 and 312. So 74 1 is 74 and 74 3 is 312. So this is equal to 3 3 is 9 by 5 1 is 5. So the length is equal to 9 by 5 meter, and if we want to change this into mixed fraction, this will become 1 raised 1 by 5 meter. This is the required answer of your question number 8. I hope you will get it. Thank you. Have a nice day, beta.